let us move to the fourth conditional statement, which is known as nested if statement. So the syntax for nested if statement is, if condition 1 evaluates true, then it will check for an internal condition, one more condition, which is nested inside the if condition. So it will check for second condition too. Even there the evaluation happens. If that condition is true, it will print the block of statement 1. If condition false, it will print the block of statement 2. If it doesn't works, it will finally print the else block of statements. And finally, after the completion, the normal statements will be printed. So for your convenience, if you look back into the example, then only will come to know the exact picture. So I will try to explain it in code editor. So let me create the example file in order to execute nested if condition. Let us take n is equal to 10. So if n is greater than or equal to 0, then I will add one more condition here. So I want to check if given number is greater than or equal to 0. If it is greater than 0, I will add one more statement as if n is equal to 0, then print the number is 0. I will add else if a given number is not equal to 0 and it is greater than 0, then the number is positive. So if a given number is not equal or greater than 0, I will add a else for it and I will print as the number is negative. Then I will add a normal statement. Execution is completed. So when I run this for an example 10, I need to get the output as number is positive. So let us see, and execution is completed because number 10 is equal to 10 and it is greater than or equal to 0 and it is not equal to greater than or equal to 0. Since it satisfies the first condition, then it will go for second evaluation within the if condition. So it will check whether 10 is equal to 0. So since 10 is not equal to 0, it will print the number is positive. If a given value is -1, then I could have get the number is negative because -1 is not at all greater than or equal to 0. Hence if block will be eliminated and it will move for else block and the number will be the print will be printed as the number is negative and print the execution is completed. Finally, if equal to 0, if equal to 0, it will check for first evaluation in the if block. If n is equal to or greater than or equal to 0, since that condition is true, it will go for internal evaluation within the if block, and where the nested if condition is happening here, where one of the if block is located inside the if block. So hence it is known as nested if. And here once again the evaluation will happen where n is equal to 0, where n value is 0 equal to 0. Hence this condition is true and else will be neglected, and it will come out of if block and it will print the execution is completed as the rest of the code. So that's all with the nested if statement. I think we have completed all the conditional statements: if else, if elif, else, and nested if. So these are the conditional statements which will be commonly used, and that's all for the day. Thank you.